In this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best sewing books. We made this list based on our personal opinion, 25 hours of research, 35 books considered and 3 expert interviewed. Before make our final decision we test them through our own procedure. If you want more products information be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At our list number 5. Gerties Ultimate Dress Book. Add a modern twist to vintage dressmaking by using Gerties Ultimate Dress Book with 23 lovely dress patterns and designs suited for different occasions. One of the best sewing books with patterns, it's a complete guide for dressmaking that also includes all the essential techniques. The introduction covers tutorials on how to choose fabrics along with the basics of checking the grain line that influences the construction of your dress. What's more, you can create customized patterns by mixing and matching various elements from the book to fully unleash your inner, vintage-loving nature. A potential downside could be a fitting mismatch, since Gertie uses her own figure as a model for the entire book, which could mean that the charts may not be accurate for your own body dimensions. At number 4. Tilly and the Buttons Books. Does the thought of stitching stretchy fabrics make you sweat? Fear no more, because Tilly Walms, an industry icon with her own award-winning pattern company, is here to help you. With her outstanding techniques, such as knit manipulation and pattern hacking, Tilly assures you that knit fabric sewing can be a breeze. Not only can you learn to create different sizes of clothes with knit patterns, but also personalize your garments based on multiple variations and ideas provided in the book. The best part, no fancy overlocks required. You can easily manipulate with knit fabrics with your regular sewing machine using Tilly's handy tips on knit types, along with the knowledge on the types of stitches to use, as well as the types of needles and stabilizers required. Number 3. Couture Sewing Techniques Book. Enter the world of couture with Claire B. Schaefer's exclusive guide to the best couture sewing techniques. Now revised and updated, this book unravels the many secrets of the couture world for the common man, highlighting a number of techniques not just for intermediate sewers, but experienced artists as well. From hand stitching to garment constructions with classic closures and finishes, this book is indeed the Bible of couture books, laced with the best insider tips, blurbs, pull-out boxes, fabric-specific designs, and vibrant text colors. One concern you might face as a learner is that the book skimps on step-by-step guides. As an experienced sewing artist, this book is a complete delight with master-level couture techniques. However, replicating the results in real life might be a bit difficult because of a lack of adequate photos and illustrations. Number 2. New Complete Guide to Sewing. This book takes the cake for the best modern sewing books category. Why? Because it enables you to level up your sewing skills, no matter what expertise you may or may not have. It is extremely easy to navigate through and brush up on basic techniques for stitches and seams. The book contains plenty of diagrams and application projects relating to patterns, tools, measurements, and constructions. Therefore, whatever you find there can be immediately applied to practice, whether you're learning to stitch a garment or some home accessory. Additionally, there's an entire section on alterations. And if you're not ready for a sewing machine yet, don't fret, this book also includes a chapter on the basics of hand stitching. Remember, though, it only outlines briefly on hand stitching and preps you with the basics, rather than taking you through with step-by-step instructions. Number 1. Vogue Sewing Revised and Updated Book. This is perhaps the most comprehensive fashion sewing guide you'll find, whether you're a novice, an intermediate, or a master sewer. Published first in 1970 by Vogue, this book has been updated several times to match the ever-evolving couture techniques. In fact, this guide is considered the holy grail of couture sewing books. It encompasses the basics of figure types, proportions, fabric, texture, color, cuts, construction techniques, and more. It even includes a separate section dedicated to pattern alterations and a glossary of sewing and couture terminologies. The book does lack a little of harmonization between the large amounts of text and the accompanying illustrations here and there. However, with the help of charts, illustrations, and examples, it creates a holistic, step-by-step guide towards making your own fashion pieces, which more than makes up for this picture-to-text ratio. That's the wrap of best sewing books. Check more user feedback by following description box link. If you found something is missing in this video, leave your comments, our research team will work their best to give you a fair product review.